In today's video, why I no longer hire house cleaners, and you might want to, too, we'll explore the surprising benefits of taking cleaning into your own hands. While outsourcing may seem convenient, it often overlooks the intimate connection we develop with our living spaces. From enhancing home harmony to recognizing hidden savings, we'll dive into how a personal touch not only transforms your home but also nurtures your mind and spirit. Join me as we uncover the profound impact of getting hands-on with home care and discover why these changes might resonate with you, too. 1. Sunlight reveals what outsourcing always misses. There's nothing quite like the sharp surprise of morning sunlight slanting across your living room floor. It doesn't just highlight dust in the corners, it spotlights every overlooked smudge, streak, and forgotten detail. When I relied on professional cleaners, I'd often find myself tracing their work with my eyes, noticing the spots they missed or the baseboards left untouched. According to a 2024 house survey, 63% of homeowners say even high-end cleaning services regularly skip invisible spaces. That's a design reality. Ambient light exposes what quick cleaning can't hide. When you clean your own home, you see it as guests do, every surface, every angle. You become the curator, not just the client. 2. Home harmony starts with your own hands. There's an intimacy to caring for your space that no service can replicate. Picking up a soft cloth to polish your dining table, you notice the grain of the wood, the way the light falls on it in the late afternoon. That's not just cleaning, it's connecting to your environment. Designers like Bobby Burke often say, the more you touch your home, the more it feels like you. When you shape your daily surroundings, you're not just tidying up, you're imprinting a bit of yourself on every room. This tactile connection can actually boost your sense of belonging and well-being, a key principle in home psychology. 3. Design details demand personal attention. Professional cleaners can make things sparkle, but they rarely understand the importance of, say, the negative space around your favorite sculpture or the way a single misplaced object can throw off a room's flow. Stagers know that a 1-inch misalignment of a hallway runner can shrink perceived space by 20%. When you're hands-on, you naturally adjust, tweak, and refine these details. It's not just about dusting, it's about honoring the careful composition of your space. Think of it as styling your home like a magazine spread, except the editor is you. 4. Cleaning as a mindful reset ritual. There's something quietly powerful about the rhythm of cleaning. Vacuuming in straight lines, folding throws just so, rearranging a vase for perfect symmetry. Studies show that intentional, repetitive home care can lower stress and boost mood. For me, it's become a form of moving meditation, a ritual that resets my mind as much as my environment. When you clean with intention, you're not just maintaining order, you're crafting a daily practice that grounds you in the present moment and gives you a sense of control. 5. Staging tricks that last beyond listing days. Ever notice how model homes feel both inviting and impossibly tidy? That's no accident. Stagers rely on subtle tricks, like grouping items in threes or keeping sightlines clear, to make spaces feel open and lived in. But here's the secret. These staging cues work best when you guide them yourself. For example, after I stopped outsourcing, I found I could keep entryways clutter-free by building a landing zone with a tray and a single statement bowl. Little tweaks like these don't just impress visitors, they let your home breathe every day. 6. Hidden savings in sweat equity. The numbers add up fast. In cities like Dallas or Seattle, the average monthly cleaning bill for a standard home can top $340. That's over $4,000 a year, money that could fund a kitchen update, fresh paint, or even a designer lighting upgrade. Zillow's 2025 report found that simple cosmetic improvements can boost resale value by 3 to 5%. When you clean and care for your home personally, you're investing sweat equity that pays off, both in dollars and in pride of ownership. 7. Learning your home's unique rhythm. Every home has its quirks, a sticky window latch, a tile that always looks dusty, a nook that seems to collect clutter out of thin air. Outsiders don't notice these things, but when you're in sync with your space, you see patterns. You spot where the morning light highlights fingerprints or the way traffic through the kitchen wears down a rug. Asterisk, this familiarity lets you anticipate needs and prevent problems before they start. It's like learning the rhythm of a favorite song. You move with your home, not against it. 8. Emotional investment changes the energy. There's a subtle but real shift in energy when you pour effort into your own space. It's not just about looking clean, it's about feeling cared for. People can sense when a home is truly loved, says designer Emily Henderson. That love infuses every corner with warmth and welcome. Guests pick up on it instantly, and more importantly, you do, too. Asterisk, when you stop outsourcing, you start investing emotionally. That's the kind of harmony you can't buy. 9. Time spent now pays off at resale. Buyers are savvier than ever in 2025. They notice the little things: polished hardware, gleaming floors, and the absence of hidden grime. A home that's consistently cared for stands out in a crowded market. According to Redfin, asterisk, homes with owner-maintained notes in listings sell 10% faster on average. Your effort doesn't just keep your home beautiful, it builds a story of stewardship that future buyers trust. 10. Everyday living becomes a design statement. When you stop relying on outside help, you start seeing your daily routines as part of your home's design story. The way you stack books, fold throws, or arrange fruit on a counter becomes a living, breathing reflection of your style. Asterisk, cleaning isn't just maintenance, it's a creative act. Over time, these small choices add up to a home that feels authentically yours, not just styled for show. That's real harmony.